Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and make the two triangular blocks now. Looking here, trying to figure out the easiest way. It wouldn't be bad to do a primitive on this one, however, I don't think it's any better, so I'm going to go ahead and just do it the way I do it. You're welcome to do this, so I'm going to go File, New Design. I point out to you that mine pops up in inches. That is to say, if I come up here in Document Settings, that's in inches. If it didn't say inches, I could change it there. If I always want it to pop up in Document Settings, again, I go up to CS, I hit Preferences, I wait patiently for a pop-up to come up, and when it does, I go to Default Units, Design, and under that I make sure that it says inches. And then by default, it will always open up in inches. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and sketch this triangle. This triangle is 1 inch, 2.25 inches. And then, well, that hypotenuse would be 1 squared plus 2.25 squared according to our man Pythagoras. So I'm going to go ahead and sketch, and I'm going to sketch that on this face because I believe it will show this. So I'm going to just do it with a line sketch. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to hit line. I'm going to go snap to around the origin. It'll snap through. I'm going to come over and I'm going to drag that out until it says 1 inch. I'm going to left click and then I'm going to go straight up. Notice it tries to snap 2 lines. So as I'm close to 90 degrees, it will go to 90 degrees. And I want to go to 2.25. I can just type 2.25 if I'd like. 2.25, enter. And then I've got to just put a completing line here from there to there. And that will indeed. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to go ahead and finish my sketch. And then I'm going to say, okay, I want to extrude that 1 inch. So I'm going to extrude that object. I'm going to extrude in 1 inch or negative 1 inch. Please understand that the negative is simply directional. And I'm going to hit OK. And there is my isometric of that one. Going back to my other triangular shape. Let's see, that is a 1 by 1. Ooh. So I'm guessing that is the square root of 2 coming down there according to my man Pythagoras, and it's 1 squared. So I can do that one pretty comfortably. Again, I'm going to sketch on that plane right there. I'm going to go ahead and come over here. I'm going to go 1 inch left, come up, and again I'm rolling in and out to do that. 1 inch, and I'm going to come down and snap on there, and there's my triangle. I'm going to hit that. I like to go to the home view when I extrude because it helps me make a little more sense. And I'm going to go ahead and drag that out to 1 inch and hit OK. And there are my 2 triangular shapes construction blocks. I would then go ahead and create a new snip. And I'd come over here and I'd grab those like that. I'd either hit edit copy or just Control C, and then I would place it in my deliverable with Control V.